Honey, this like my boy.
We are having an old school YouTube moment right now. Today's a little different because I'm just going to vlog what I'm doing today. I look so horrible. I really haven't been wearing makeup, but I have a scar on my face that I need to cover because I got carried away with skincare, trying to get rid of a singular breakout that I got for falling asleep and not removing my makeup. These two products by Proactive, I live by them. Whenever I have a breakout, these are what I use to fix it. Medicated gel gets rid of breakouts. Like it literally minimizes them overnight. The scar gel helps with like hyperpigmentation, any scarring you might get from the breakout. Still really into makeup products. I just don't really film it anymore. Today I'm going in with the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation. It has the pump, but it also can be used as a concealer, so you can get two different shades, like your concealer shade and your foundation shade, and it has the doe foot for if you want to use it for concealer. I still use my Jaclyn Hill brushes. Those are still my fave. I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I still love the Born This Way. This is what I use. This is the one that Jackie Aina collaborated with them, and they came out with like some additional shades for the chocolate girls. A brush to apply my foundation, but a sponge to blend out concealer. Favorite product to fill in brows is still the Anastasia Beverly Hills Grip Brow. Like it is bomb. I found nothing better than this to fill them in. To shape them with the pencil, definitely the Maybelline. I like to seal them with a gel. The Morphe gel I still really like, but it does give you that crunchy brow. Anastasia came out with a brow product called Clear Brow Gel. This one holds them in place without the crunchiness. So I really actually prefer this one over the Morphe now. But if you're talking dollars and you want to save some money, definitely go with the Morphe one. I'm gonna go in with my lip because my lips always feel washed out. My two favorite lip products are still the Crayon Case. The Murder Matte is my go-to burgundy-ish red. It's perfect for the dark skin girls. Gumbo is my second favorite. Because it's fall, I've been more into the Gumbo. I like them because they are perfectly matte. I've been wearing winged liner since I was probably 16. My dad would kind of just allow me to start putting something on my face because before then, honey, he was not having it. it does literally glide on your eyes, so it's perfect. But my favorite coloring on liner is definitely the Huda Beauty perfect black color. Like it's bomb. And then I like that it's double-sided, so you get a pencil on the other side of the Huda one. Now I'm just using one of the ones that I have. My favorite mascara is still Thrive Cosmetics. I have a whole video of unboxing Thrive Cosmetics and testing their products. I add a little color back into my face, and my favorite blush for the dark skin girls is Clinique Black Honey Pop. I just like to fill in a little bit of contour right at my jawbone, and I still use the powder product for that, the Maybelline Super Stay. It's a foundation powder, but I don't use it for foundation. I use it for contour. 375 Java. It's dark enough for a contour for me. I like using this e.l.f. spray, a clay powder product in there, a little ball in it, like a nail polish. Mix it really well before you spray it, because if you don't, you're gonna get like white splotches all over your face. It's gonna keep your face matte. It's good for me because I am an oily girl. My lashes, because I'm a lash girl, okay? Still the white duo. There's a couple of places we need to go. I need to go to Ulta. I need to go to IKEA, Target, and also Dollar Tree, because that'll be what you see in Tuesday's video if you like to watch my home decor shopping vlogs. To put my baby oil in a spray bottle and then spray it all over me. It's so amazing. Now it's time to get dressed. So a little OOTD. Going cycling with my baby later. So I just did something that I'm going to wear when we go cycling so that I don't have to change. But this is going to be my little running around outfit for today. But I'm trying to decide on the shoes. Do I want to just go like regular gray or something with a little color to match? But I like this shirt because it comes up to the waist and splits. It's just so unique. Fashion Nova. So I went with the New Balance. We are ready to go. So for breakfast or brunch really, because I involuntarily intermittent fast, typically fried eggs. So sometimes they come out like perfectly runny, and then sometimes they come out like incredibly soft. And then I paired that tender beef medallions that I got last night from my brother took us out to eat last night, and the food was so amazing. My son had some fettuccine with these beef medallions, and he didn't want the beef medallions, so my brother was like, cook them in the morning with some eggs, and it turns out that's exactly what I've done. Y'all, me and my son are in love with this song. Favorite Bad Bunny song ever. But we have to turn in this car. And although I miss my car, I'm in love with this one. Oh, she's so sexy. obsessed. The way that it handles is amazing, but my car sits up high, and this is a race car, so it sits low, and I miss my car, but I really like this car. You like mommy's car, or you like this race car?
Race car.
You don't miss mommy's car?
No.
Why am I just now realizing that IKEA has the colander